BAUER CONNECT is an app and internet-based IoT solution which allows BAUER customers to remotely monitor the performance as well as control of the entire BAUER system through any wireless mobile device or computer, anywhere, anytime. The key features of this IoT solution include BAUER Remote HMI, mobile dashboards, BAUER Reports, push notifications, and BAUER Predictive Analytics. These key features allow customers to increase efficiency and productivity, save time, do more with less resources, have lower operational costs, and gain total flexibility with a solution tailored specifically for them. To get a better idea of the advantages of what BAUER CONNECT can provide, let's take a look at some of its key features. The BAUER Remote HMI function allows factory-trained technical personnel to remotely control the BAUER system via the BAUER CONNECT app with the exact same functionality as if one were standing in front of the actual unit. The BAUER CONNECT app will also display a real-time graphical display of the entire system, including key operating and performance criteria. The mobile dashboard feature provides information such as compressor system status, error log, analog display of critical parameters, and tabular display of critical parameters. Quick reference of all of your units at your fingertips without the HMI control capability, view-only access, does not require password validation every time the app is used. Dashboards can be customizable. The BAUER Reports feature is a function which generates custom reports tailored to the specific needs of the customer. Customers can have access to vital historical data such as compressor usage pattern, flow, critical pressures and temperatures, etc., via a multitude of standard and customized reports. An example of customized reports would be invoicing based on gas usage. The BAUER CONNECT mobile app will send push notifications if certain critical parameters of the BAUER system fall outside of normal operating range or if triggered by a system alert. This assures that essential personnel are notified immediately, thus allowing for proactive intervention in situations which could potentially be detrimental to the BAUER system as well as the customer's operation. BAUER Predictive Analytics feature of BAUER CONNECT provides a totally new proactive dimension to perpetually maintaining customers' compressor systems at peak condition with minimum downtime. BAUER's Predictive Analytics algorithm uses artificial intelligence to analyze the collected system information of the BAUER cloud to predict upcoming maintenance requirements and preventative actions in order to avoid unplanned shutdowns. To fully demonstrate the flexibility and advantages of this technology, we are going to hear from two very different customers and how they integrate BAUER CONNECT into their businesses. First, we are going to hear from Keith Ayaya, president and owner of Revolution CNG. Revolution CNG is a family-owned and operated company based out of Central California. They provide a full range of CNG products and services, along with 24-hour maintenance for new and existing CNG fueling stations. The main office is located in Paso Robles, California. However, the company has a large range of territories they cover throughout the state, such as San Luis Obispo, Hearst Castle, and Exeter, to name a few.
The thing from my perspective that I really like about the BAUER CONNECT is that it really accomplishes two things at once. On the one hand, it makes our company a lot more productive, a lot more efficient. There's examples when we've got a technician that's on one job and we get a notification via BAUER CONNECT that a job in perhaps an adjacent area needs attention. And we can divert him to that second job, whereas in the old days, that would have been a second trip. And for us, that's often 2 hours of commuting each way. That's a whole additional day, whereas we can kill two birds with one stone. That's much more efficient for the company. For me personally, I frankly enjoy it because it takes hours off of my day. In the past, I'd be contacting customers and trying to query them in terms of how their machinery is running. They don't often know. They're not often well schooled or particularly keyed in. It's not their job after all. So the only way for us to know for sure is to send someone out and visually lay eyes on the machine just to determine the state of operation. Now I can determine all of that by firing up my laptop, and it's really improved our standing among our customers.
Next, we are going to travel to Oklahoma to meet with Sufyan Kwarni, Chief Operating Officer for Spark Natural Gas. Spark Natural Gas is a corporation that provides customized CNG solutions for fleet managers and municipalities. They also provide CNG station marketing services, consulting for fleets and retail outlets, research and industry advocacy, as well as grant writing and facilitation. Spark's main headquarters is based in Oklahoma City, but they cover a vast range of territories as well, ranging from Colorado all the way to Louisiana. Some of these territories include City of Moore, Oklahoma, El Reno, and Lawton, Oklahoma.
Our stations are unmanned, and we want to have a reliable fueling experience for public as well as for our anchor tenants, which require us to have remote access capabilities, and that's some of the basic requirement we have from BAUER early when we started working with them a few years back. And they were able to come up with a solution where we have 100% control of our HMI, human-machine interface, and I can check and my technicians can check the trends and what's going on with the machines at any given time. BAUER Connect comes into that, and it plays a huge role to keep our operational expense in check. And that's where I think we like BAUER because of their exceptional lower operational expense, and we're very thankful for their partnership. We don't have a customer that is just swiping a card and getting a receipt. Sometimes you have a customer that is a city that have different requirements in terms of how their fuel consumption is invoiced to them every week or every bi-week or every month. And based on that, BAUER engineers were able to come up with a solution that gives us a dashboard and gives us exactly what we're looking for in an invoice form that at the end of the month, it's ready to go and we can send it to our customer for payment. So it really helps and cut down a lot of time in terms of manual readings and things like that. It's everything automated, and BAUER Connect is doing work for multiple people, from making sure that we don't have a guy over there watching our system all the time, keeping our system healthy. If it's not healthy, then shooting a text alert or email alert to us as well as to our contractor, so we can know the issue before a customer does. I don't know if I can imagine a life without BAUER Connect and running CNG stations.
Two very different companies that both utilize BAUER Connect technology. This IoT solution is designed with flexibility in mind to better serve each customer as if it was created just for them. Typically, to have access to all of these capabilities provided by BAUER Connect, you would need multiple apps and platforms, not to mention constant sign-ins. With BAUER Connect, these multiple functions are all provided under a single app-based platform for optimum ease and efficiency. BAUER Connect, IoT connection that matters.